Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to learn and discuss about my advanced option trading strategies, how I'm going to select a stock based on my advanced options trading strategies by using a Google Sheet, and how did I find out today's best opportunity. And this is what in weekly trade opportunities, how many of them are who are watching this trade. And this is the day where we are ending of this week, and first week of June we are closing today, first week of June. And this week we find out a lot of opportunities, how many of them who are watching and are traveling along with my live session on my another YouTube channel, Trade with AS. And here we find out this much of opportunities. And RBL Bank, PFC, India Cements, these are all the real trades which we are finding out. And about Titan and HDFC, AMC and Dixon, it's about yesterday's trade. And this week it's a perfect week for our advanced options trading students, those who are making a profit on today's scenario. This week positional basis, I'm just talking about positional trade opportunities by using a chart, my advanced option strategy. So if you are really interested to learn more about strategy, the link will be available on the description on my website. You can go and check that. And these are all the weekly opportunity I was funding for my trades in RBL Bank, PFC, India Cements, and Hero Motor Corp. This Hero Motor Corp, I think, is triggers today, and it was a gap up one, but I was not taking that trade because of gap up. So normally, if you are planning for a trades after 9:30, so you may be trying to focus for an intraday opportunity. That always works better. Today's scenario, so positional trade. So let me look at this week positional. How many stocks which triggers our entry point, and let me go for M&M also. We are making a trade opportunities, but it was not triggered yet, and the long term I'm waiting for, and that is the reason I'm not taking M&M, so it was not triggered. And these are all the trade opportunities. RBL Bank 10.9 should be my entry point, 150 call option this week. And weekly opportunity, this is what a weekly opportunity, 150 call option. Look at this here on 30th May. So this week is started from 29th Monday and 2nd Friday. So 29th of May to 2nd of June, this weekly contract which is running, and I find out a breakout opportunity around based on our sheet around 10.9. So from this 10.9, as of now, the stock is more than 90%, or even it has given you 112% return based on the positional options. But if you not able to take a naked trades, because 10 rupees almost to 55,000 for the investment to do the trade. So if you're not able to take a naked risky, then you can have a strategy 2.1 and 3.2, or even FO strategies, or OTM options also we are planning for taking a trades in the initial stage, because OTM strategy we are not going to apply on nearby end of this month. So the reason why we are not taking that end of the month, because of time decay. OTM options is always become expire worthless on expiry days. So that is the reason we are not taking OTM options in nearby expiry week. But in the initial week, even we can try for a OTM option. There is what a one stock. And those who are watched my live session, you know well about how we are funding the trades on a real time basis. And this is the one which we find out. And the second one, PFC 170 call option, and that is what another option that gives you such a amazing profit today. And this was triggered on 30th May. Look at this, and today it jumps over. Till yesterday it was not a big move, but today it started with 16 and went higher to 22. Those who are patiently waiting for this kind of profit, they will make such a big benefit. And after the trigger 11.7, now it is 22. And finally India Cements, and I was suggesting in the trade in real time live session, India Cement 190 call option. That is what I remember, 190. This is what a trade which is happening on 30th May. So in the starting of the month, we find out some trades, and at the end of the month, we got that much of stocks given you such a big benefits and huge result from that entry point. So this is also given you. So here, how many stocks? Tata Communications today, ICICI Prudential we are tracking for the last few days, and it went up to more than 30 plus, and now finally closed by 27 for this week. ICICI probably 450. 450 call option, that should be the strike price. Look at this, previous day high is 36. And if I'm comparing from my entry bond, this is the trade which triggers on 29th, not today, not yesterday. It is the 29th trigger, and the next day given you one more opportunity, almost 63%. It reaches to the top after my entry, and it is closed at the top level. And then Titan 108, Canfin Home, and Dixon in a single day it moved up to almost 95 points in a quick move. Dixon 3700 call option. It's about all about our strategy. Look at this. And yesterday it triggers our entry on 1st of June. And the same day it reaches towards 364 and then recovered. And today also the retracement opportunity around 266 finally closed to 293. But most probably we are not taking a retracement opportunity. But if any stock without triggering the targets, if it is returned back, means we can try to take a trade opportunities on that. And then we can get a profit. So only using that Google sheet we can simply filter out the stocks for opportunity, and this is what a paid tool. So if you want to learn my advanced option strategy one-to-one classes which is available, if you want to confirm that, you can get, and you can access my recording sessions on my website. And Trade with AS is the website which is available, the link available in the description, and you can go to the link and you can access the courses. You will be finding out the course link here. And this is what a second one, advanced option strategy course, and the price is going to increase soon. If you're interested, you can subscribe this course and you can join on this course. And premium charting scanners, that is also be the course which is going to update it soon. And if you are really interested, you can get this total combined course on this with this piece. And one more thing, so monthly positional started, and today's trade which is triggers on Apollo Hospital, the same day target trigger, and Tata Communications, Hero Motor is a gap up, PFC also triggers and closed on the same level. India Cement monthly, Nakuri we are waiting for, this may not be triggered, but the Apollo Hospital is the perfect entry which given you 50% return today, and Tata Communications almost 16%, and Hero Motorcorp, it's not a real trade which we have taken, and finally we get some good opportunities based on this sheet. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.